Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. This 55 Chevy has had a complete total nut and bolt body off the frame down to a bare shell restoration, and we believe it's all original rust-free metal. Loaded up with cold air, leather custom interior. It's a great show car driver. Go to volocars.com and you can study all the pictures top to bottom. You can read the specs. You get the price. Not only on this car, but we have a few hundred collector cars for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified as the videos come out. Right now, join me for a spin in this 55 Chevy. Yeah, I'm going to start with the underneath. It's painted this nice. They took the body off the frame, and I'm telling you what, we were all underneath there in the shop talking about it in amazement how clean the metal is. All the pinch wells along the rockers, all the factory seams, they're all crisp and clean. It does not look like there's any aftermarket cuts, welds, splices, no extra goop or caulk hiding anything. So super, super clean metal, all painted that same gloss yellow. The frame, it looks like they made it smooth and it's gloss black. I mean, sprayed with a gun, not with a spray can. There's about 9,800 miles on the restoration, so it's been driven and very well cared for. So underneath is not still, pristine, but it's excellent. I mean, it's better than 99% of them out there. Suspension's completely rebuilt, all new bushings and all new front end. It's got disc brakes up front, definitely lowered. Just standing in here when I got out of the car and I noticed I'm looking across the roof. This thing is squatted down. Great sounding exhaust, which I'll start up for you in just a minute. Turbo 350 automatic. But anyway, we talked about how clean the floors are. The body is the same way. These gaps are spot on. 10-year-old paint. There's not a bubble or blister. It's all really nice, clean, dry metal. Up here is all nice and clean. All the chrome and trim looks like it's replaced. The bird, the grill, the emblems, the bumpers, the lenses, all of that's been replaced. The correct antenna, the wipers, the stainless trim, all of this, all of it looks like new, in beautiful condition. Emblems, the little gold emblem there. It looks like all the glass is replaced, has a nice light tint. The rear window looks like it's original because it has some light scratches that I had to look for. The gaskets are real nice. Door jambs are painted real nice, new weather strips. Got billet specialty wheels. You can see they're nice and tucked up into the wheel wells there. Again, everything back here is new. This is a Nomad bumper, so it kind of curves in. You have the license plate here, so they don't have the plate here. It gives it a cleaner look. You got a third brake light here. Really nice, boxed and upholstered and carpeted. Even the carpet has the bound edges on it, and it all matches the interior, which I bragged about how nice the outside is. The interior is really special. It's all white leather, super comfortable seats. I mean, you don't want to get out. Plenty of room in here, front and back. The seats are kind of contoured in back. They're not buckets, but they're contoured. Got a center console with cup holders. A really unique center console, custom made between the two bucket seats here. And under the hood will impress too. The firewall is made nice and smooth and painted. This is all gloss black. Under the hood's yellow. Completely built 350 motor. Got some really nice custom cast iron exhaust manifolds that match the valve covers, air cleaner, breather, the brackets. They all have the same pattern. It's a giant dual feed Howley carb on an aluminum intake, Excel HEI ignition system. ice cold air conditioning. I drove this car a little bit, but my brother actually got out and used it. Said it was cold air, said the car drove great. Look at all the billet trim and handles. Custom carpet even around the seats, custom floor mats with the white sewn edges, all custom dash with billet trim, digital gauges. Steering wheel matches the wheels on the car. It's a matched set. I'll start it up in just a second. So it's got a stereo down in the console. It's a Hurst quarter stick shifter that's in there. Headliner. Oh, really cool headliner. It's all custom done, kind of matches the seats. Yeah, really cool headliner. Never seen that before. Has the factory heater controls. They look original, but they're new, and I believe they're electronic, so you don't have the cables. They operate real nice and smoothly. There's a digital clock over to the right. Power steering, dual reservoir master cylinder, aluminum radiator. Very clean, simple. Hood fits really nice. Looks like some sort of special headlights. Very refreshing. The colors just pop. That all white interior is really special, really comfortable. If that was in a new Lincoln or something, you would expect to see this high quality. Rust free. Underneath is done. Get in and drive it anywhere. It's not missing a thing. So this 55 Chevy is ready for show and go. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to meet our staff. They'll help answer questions you might have or concerns about the car, the process, the delivery, the financing. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.